Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Engineering. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. And see, in yesterday's class we have discussed about the pointer arithmetic. Okay, if you have any doubts you can post in the comment section below and I'll be clarifying for every question. And after this we are going to know about multi-dimensional arrays. In the arrays we will be having two types, which are single dimensional, one dimensional, which are these are single dimensional, means 1D arrays, and these are multi-dimensional arrays which are more than one, which have more than one dimensions. See, the dimensions will be more than one, means it may be 2D, 3D, etc. But most commonly we are discussing about only 2D arrays. Those are needed. Okay, in programming language 2D arrays is mostly needed. 2D arrays means, see, we will be having two dimensions, like, see, this is one and this is second. Okay, this is second. Okay, and this is first dimension. Okay, there are two dimensions and we'll be declaring like this, declaring and defining the arrays like this. A, which would be having two square braces and equals to, see, in the flower brace we will be again creating two. Okay, this and this, two we are creating. Okay, that is the declaration of arrays, 2D arrays, not multi-dimensional. Means multi-dimensional will be having many, like 2D, 3D, 4D, etc. But we are only discussing about 2D because in programming languages 2D arrays is most commonly used. 3D, 4D, they are not at all used because we cannot write them at all, right? In paper we can only write two dimensions, like, see, a matrix. Sorry, this is a square, right? This square will be having two dimensions, which is this as a length, and this as a breadth. So we are having only two dimensions in paper, but three dimensions. If you have height, length and breadth, where will be showing the height here? No, we can't show, right? See, we will be using only two-dimensional arrays because see, matrices will be like this, right? These are the examples of 2D arrays. Means here we can write like this and we can write like this. Means, see, I'll be giving you example. See, this is an array, right? Here I'll be writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 also. See, this is called 2D array. Okay, which is of 3, here 3 and here also 3, which means 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3. Yeah, 3 by 3 matrix. And let me again show you another one also. Let me remove these lines. Oh, I have removed it. Okay, no problem. I'll draw again. Yeah, and this is 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Okay, here let me give you another example of these arrays. 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay, this is a 2 by 3 array. It is a 2 by 3 array because see here, you will be having 2 rows. This first one will be defining the number of rows. Let me change the color. This first one will be showing you, means denoting the number of rows, and this second one will be denoting the number of columns. Okay, the number of columns are 3, as you can see here. The number of rows are 2, as you can see here. Therefore, the size, means the dimensions of this array is 2 by 3. Okay, yes. After this, let me remove all this. Yes. Now see, there is an example for this. Yeah, I already explained about this example, and we can access the items of multi-dimensional array as we can access them. Okay, I'll be explaining you about this accessing via a program. Okay, it will be better understanding for you. So let me open the editor, remove all these, and okay, yes, let me zoom a bit. Yeah, hash include stdio.h. No, what is this? And void main, as we are using void main every time, let's use this only. Void main int, like, see, we are just giving this. See, we are denoting, means we are creating an array of, see, let's take a basic array which is 3 and 2, and we are having this. See, we should have three items with 2. See, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, these are columns 3, 4, and another one also 5, 6. Yes, this is the array we are creating, and now we should traverse, means we should find the each and every position of the element. Means with position we wanna know the item which is present in that position. Okay, to know that we have to traverse. This is an array, right? We have to traverse through this array. For traversing, we should use for loop. In for loop, we are creating a variable I to use. You already know that, right? These variables, see, this is initialization. So before initializing, we have to define all the variables, right? And then we are this is row, right? So rows will be less than, like, means from 0. If we take from 0, we have to only write less than, right? So I am using less than, and I plus plus, means we have to going on increase them. Okay, then after that we have to write another for loop, because we have to iterate through columns also, right? So j less than 2. No, here not 4. Okay, it is 3. I don't know why I have written 4. Okay, and j plus plus. Then we have to print the value. Now we will be getting the value percentage d. Okay, and by t means it will be giving space. Let's see. Okay, before this I'll be printing some statement. Printing this array in the form of matrix. Okay, matrix by n. That's better. Yes. Now I should. Okay, this is the element we are going to access now. Okay, now after every row the line should be changed, right? See, before writing this I'll run and show you and give you the explanation. See, if we run. Okay, see, here I have created the variable as a, and here I have used arr. Okay, let me replace it with a. Now let me run. Yes, see, printing this array in the form of matrix we are getting, but see, we are getting like this, like a serial, like in a line format, but we want like a matrix, right? So okay, let's print in the next line. For every iteration we have to print in the next line, right? See, for this iteration we'll be printing 1 and 2, and here we'll be going into next line, and we are going to print as 3 and 4 next line, 5 and 6. Let's see we are getting output or not. Running. Yeah, we have got it, right? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, but okay, let's see. Let's give 3 elements for 1, means in 1 row. Okay, because it looks effective, right? Oh, not this. Okay, yeah. Let me try to give 4 5 6, because it again becomes square matrix, which is a common. And now 4 by 3, right? This will be 4 and this will be 3. Okay, now here this should be replaced with 4 and this should be replaced with 3. And let me run and see now what we'll be getting. Yes, we have got it. Okay, some errors, some warnings also. Yeah, what we have. Okay, this will be based on the. Okay, those will be based on the compiler. See, if we run this code in another compiler, we may get the correct output. See, here also we are getting the output, but some errors in it. Okay, as this is a means web compiler, online compiler, we'll be getting some errors. That is common. Okay, rather than those errors, focus on this. We are getting output. Okay, but see, we are getting something like this 0 0 0, but why? We have to focus on it. Okay, we have yes, we have to right here, see, the mistake we have written is we have to replace the values. Here 3 and here 4. So that's the reason we are getting those. Okay, now let's see. See, we are getting, why we are getting this value? And the other mistake is, see, here we have to write the number of rows, right? But yeah, and here we have to write the number of columns. Okay, now let me run it. Yeah, this is the output we are willing to get. See, we are getting as it is 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 5 6 7 8. See, 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 5 6 7 8. This is in the form of matrix, right? Yes, that's it. We will be getting the output easily by this. And see, this is the accessing of elements. I'll be showing you this also in this only. Yeah, here let me print f. Not R. The value at row 2 and column 3 is %d by n. Now we have to see row 2. So the first column will be having 2 and the second one will be having 3. Oh, not this. Have to. Now let's see, we will be getting or not. Yeah, we are getting 8, but let's see row 2. Okay, row 2. Yeah, let's see. Yes, row 2 and column 3. See, row 2 and column 3 means we have to do -1 because see, you all know that rows will be starting from 0. Every index will be starting from 0 and ending at n-1. So if we want to acquire row number 2, we have to give the number 1, which is -1 of it. We have to decrement the value because it starts at 1, right? At 0, right? And our counting starts at 1. So we have to subtract 1 from that. And if we want third column, we have to write 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So now see what we are getting. See what we should get. We should get, see, row 2. See, this is row 2, right? And column 3. 1 2 3. The column 3. We have to get the value 5. What we are getting? Yes, we are getting the value 5, right? So this is the accessing of elements in an multi-dimensional array. Okay, that's all for this session. And if you have any doubts in this multi-dimensional arrays, you can comment me down in the comment section. And if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Easy Engineering, and look at the shorts also, and you can learn more about the programming languages, programs. Okay, thank you. This is all for today.